Good evening, everyone. So, finally, the time came where everyone is desperately waiting for the video and the chapter. So, today I will start one more new movie, and the name of the movie is Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. So, whenever I talk about this chapter, always people are so excited, students are so excited that now let's see, kuch to dhamaka hone wala, right? So let's see what are the content we are going to study here. We'll study about topic one is birth of Weimar Republic. We'll study then year of depressions, then Hitler rise to power, Nazi worldview, Nazi EU German, right? So when I talk about this chapter, Nazism, right? Nazism. So what do you mean by the term Nazism? So Nazi plus ism. So ism means ideology. So here the ideology of Nazi is called as Nazism, right? And the leader name was Hitler. So we know whenever someone is getting angry, we say he just like Hitler. So we know that he was a person with full flash anger, wildfire, right? But if we talk about that person, a single person changed the entire history of Germany. From zero, Germany became hero. But again, from the because of their mistake, again from the top, they came to bottom, right? So let's start. The chapter starts with a dreadful story, very beautiful story. The story of Helmut, a small boy of 11 years. So he one day he was just pretending to be sleeping, right? And he heard something which was not he is able to believe. He heard that his father is saying that this is the time to commit suicide. So whether I should alone die, we all will die, or we both will die. And now, Halbat is in trauma. Why it is like that? Why Papa is saying like that? And next day, they all went for a picnic. They had very good time, had good food, had good fun and all. But after next day, his father he killed himself. He committed suicide by shooting gun on himself, right? So and he like died. So again, the child saw the bloody uniform and he was so happy and so he was so sad and he was just in traumatized. Why it is happening, right? Why it happened actually? My father was a physician. He was into a very good profession, right? Now, and he remembered that their parents say this is the time to kill, right? So by that fear, he does not took food for next 9 years. With he was scared that he his mother might put poison and she might kill, right? So let's talk about what is Nazism, who is Hitler, what is the reason of this chapter. Okay, why will how German and whole world issues, right? So if we say this chapter, okay, now Hitler was having strong determination to capture the entire Europe and to make Germany into one of the mighty power, strong power. His ambition was to capture the entire Europe, right? Now it happened like that. Now in World War One, initially okay, 14 to 18, 14, 15, and 16, Germany was become a superpower. His France and like Belgium we captured. But in 1917, USA entered like a wild card entry. And then they defeated Germany. Then he said, Sabka badla lega Hitler. Okay. So, but in World War Two again, if we'll say it was between FARE. I'll show you who were FARE. You can get to know easily. Okay. So F stand for people say France, A stand for America, R stand for Russia, E stand for England. So we go by auto, we give fair. And opposite to Axis power, it was Germany, Italy, and Japan. So in 1945, okay, it was a time where Germany defeated. Now there is a reason why his father committed suicide because he knew that the way we treated with them, ईट का जवाब पत्थर से. This time they will get ईट का जवाब not पत्थर से लोहे से. It means that the way they have treated with the allies since they defeated, they will be treated in same way. That's why with that fear he committed suicide. At the same time, people see Hitler also committed suicide with his right hand. Propaganda minister Goebbels, right? It was in Berlin bunker. Now, to prosecute Nazi, to give punishment, it was a international military tribunal was formed at Nuremberg for war crime and the crime against humanity, right? Now, when I talk about this, not only this, okay, actually now one term we will study about all about genocidal. Genocidal means mass killing. You're surprised to know a single-handedly with his team, Hitler killed 60 lakhs Jews. 60 lakhs. Recently, in one colony, one person died. He was young and पूरा मातम छाया हुआ था. But we are talking about 60 lakhs Jews. My God, 6 million, like Jews. 20 lakhs, sorry, 2 lakhs Gypsies, right? 1 million Polish, 10 lakh Polish from Poland, and 70,000 of own Germans. How can he do like this? But they were actually now people say mentally and physically not fit, disabled. That's why he killed them. Now in World War II, 1945, Germany lost the Second World War and the surrender to Allies. So basically, Nazism is a system or a structure of ideas about the world and the politics of Hitler. So people say now, see in Germany, in Europe, like in by 1871, how it has been captured, right? Now the Germany defeated. Okay. Now there is a birth of Weimar Republic. So Germany became a powerful empire, right? But when he defeated, right now, since the Germany defeated, at the same time the king was, you know, Kaiser William II. He has been, he had been, उसको निकाल दिया गया. Now who will rule? Now they form a republic government, and this was formed in one place called Weimar. That's why this is called as Weimar Republic. Right now, this republic gave an opportunity to parliamentary parties to resist recast government. So, National Assembly made at Weimar established a democratic constitution with a federal structure. Federal is all about different division of power and different level, right? But this was not accepted by people. Why? Why people hate this? Because of the Treaty of Versailles. This Weimar Republic people, they signed the treaty and they were called as November criminals. This treaty was harsh and humiliating because German lost its overseas colonies and one-tenth of creamy population as well as 13% of its territory. Next, 75% of coal, okay, sorry, iron, 26% of coal to Poland, Denmark, and Lithuania, as well as the main part where the Germany was just like it's all about the Germany was now demilitarized. They are not allowed to keep military, and that is the thing that weakened its power. Now they say war clause declared that 6 billion euros a pound you have to give. My God, 6 billion pounds. Again, the Allied occupied this rich Rhineland. Again, one of the most important place of Germany. So many Germans held the new republic responsible for not only the defeat but disgrace at Versailles. Understood this? In the next class, in the next video, we will discuss about rest topics. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much. We'll meet again. Bye bye. Good night.